So, quite a nice little kitchen.
Yeah, there we go, yeah.
Yeah, microwave.
6 plates in there.
Tall fridge freezer. A gas oven and hob. Central heating. Radiator central heating. Reasonable lounging area and a reasonable sized TV as well. Little table down here in front, coffee table.
Yeah.
Table and bench set for eating. And radiator down by the oven. Shower. Little bit compact, but for a caravan, not too bad. Towel rail in the blue. Oh, what's this? Oh, big storage wardrobe, coat hangers and that, coat hooks. So, first room got twin beds in it, little wardrobe and a small radiator as well. Bedside table at one of the beds. And then double bed, radiator, tall mirror, wardrobe and drawers filled with extra bedding. So not sure what you're supposed to do with that. Hairdryer and 2 stools. Couple of sockets there, which is quite good. And you got a socket by one side of the bed. Oh no, you got a socket both sides of the bed.
Right.
And you've also got central heating control there by the side of the bed, so if it gets too hot in the night you don't have to get out to change it. So yeah, all in all, for £12.50 a night it's not bad. Well, it's a free upgrade, isn't it, from Saver to either bronze or silver, I don't know which, but probably silver I would say, with all the extras it's got in it. Not bad though, not bad for the money. Somewhere different, something different to do. Okay, this way. Well, you could go down there, doesn't matter. I just think it's easier to walk on the tarmac. A lot of holes in the ground. Quite nice having the balconies outside. They've all got lights on outside. There we go, Caister on Sea Beach. Well, that's how close we are. Oh, big wind farm out there. Yeah. Definitely a chill in the air. Smile. You're on camera.
Watching where my feet are going.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Oh no, slow, shouldn't it? I don't know. There are some steps over there by the look of it.